Hello friends, welcome to Easy Maths channel by Rajeshwari. Again I am here to help you in maths. Today I have brought exercise number 4.3 from Telangana syllabus of 10th class. In this some questions are there which are non-linear. So these non-linear equations we have to convert into linear and we have to find the xy value. That means we have to solve these equations by converting them into the linear form. Why are these non-linear? Because here we can see that degree of x is 1 and degree of y is 1. That means 1 plus 1, 2. Degree is 2. So it is a non-linear. If it is a non-linear, then how to convert it into linear? That I am going to tell you in this video, and this type of problem we will solve. So let us start first one. Actually, this is the second problem from the exercise 4.3. So here we can see the question given is x plus y upon xy equals to 2 and x minus y upon xy equal to 6. Now how to solve this? What we have to do? We have to separate this denominator for both. As it is whole upon, it means this xy is the denominator of x as well as y. Okay, so let us write their denominators separately. Then let us see what we get. So let's start solving the problem. X upon xy plus y upon xy give you 2. Here x cancel, y cancel. So you will get 1 by y plus 1 by x equal to 2. Similarly, we have to perform this operation with this second equation also. X upon xy minus y upon xy equal to 6. You remember that when there is whole upon, it means that this denominator belongs to both. This is the denominator of x as well as of y. Okay, so let us separate them and let us write them as a separate fraction. So here again x will get cancelled, y cancel, and you will get 1 by y minus 1 by x equal to 6. Now what to do in this case? Here we have learned elimination method to solve pair of linear equations. But if you observe here, it is 1 by y. Means if you bring y in numerator, its degree will be minus 1. And according to polynomial definition, degree of any polynomial should not be negative integer. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to convert it into the polynomial, linear polynomial or linear equation. So for that we will do some substitution method. Some substitutions we have to follow. For example, suppose I am taking 1 by x as a and 1 by y as b. Then these both the equations will get converted into 1 by y is b plus 1 by x is a is equal to 2. Similarly, here also 1 by y is b minus 1 by x is a is equal to 6. Now these substitutions we have done. Okay, you can write here substitute. Okay, why are we following this substitution? To get our equations in this linear form. Okay, now we can easily apply elimination method. So let us solve by elimination method. B plus a equal to 2, b minus a equal to 6. Here already these two terms are equal and opposite. So we can cancel them. A minus a will give you 0 and b plus b give you 2b. Why? Because there is no coefficient, means it is 1 here. So 1 plus 1 give you 2. So it will be 2b is equals to 2 plus 6 will give you 8. Okay. Now b is equals to 8 upon 2. 2b is equals to 8. So B will be equal to 8 upon 2. Can you cancel them out? Yes. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So we will get 4. So what is the value of B? 4. But what is the substitution we have done for B? See, 1 by y equal to B. So B value is 1 by y. 1 by y is 4. So y will be equal to 1 by 4. Now this B value you substitute any one of the equation. This is suppose equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. I will consider equation 1. A B plus A is equals to 2. Now you put B value 4 here. 4 plus A equal to 2. So A will be equal to 2 minus 4. So A will give you minus 2. But what is the value of A from this substitution? It is 1 by x. So you write here 1 by x equal to minus 2. So x will be equals to minus 1 by 2. Like this we have got the value of x and y. And what is the solution then? Solution means xy you have to write. Xy you have to write. So what will be the solution? X is minus 1 by 2 and y is 1 by 4. Like this, in this way we got the values of x. What we have to do? We have to substitute the value of 1 by x as A, 1 by y as B. Or you can take any other alphabets. For substitution, I have taken A and B here. Then these two equations will get converted into this form. Then these two equations solve by elimination method. After solving by elimination method, you will get A and B value. That A and B value, again you resubstitute their original values. That is, A is 1 by x, B is 1 by y. After resubstituting, 1 by y value is 4, so y will be 1 by 4. 1 by x value is minus 2, so x will be minus 1 by 2. In this way, you have to solve all the problems. Now, let us see the another type of problem. Here, under root x and under root y is given. So, what are the substitutions you can do here? 2 by root x, we can write 2 into 1 by root x plus 3 into 1 by root y is equals to 2. Similarly, 4 into 1 by root x minus 9 into 1 by root y equals to minus 1. We can write this in this way. Okay. 2 ones are 2. 2 by root x. Again you will get the same thing. Now 1 by root x and 1 by root x is here. In both the equations. 1 by root y and 1 by root y is again here in both the equation. So what we should do? We should substitute the values for 1 by root x equals to a suppose. And 1 by root y equals to b suppose. Now what we have to do? We have to substitute these values in these equations. So it will be 2 into 1 by root x is a plus 3 into 1 by root y is b equals to 2. In this equation also 4 into 1 by root x is a plus 9. Sorry, it is minus here. Why I am writing plus? Then 9 into 1 by root y is b is equals to minus 1. Am I right? Now 2 into a means 2a plus 3b equals to 2 and 4a minus 9b is equals to minus 1. So these are the two equations which we got after substitution. Okay, you give the number 1 and this to 2. Okay, now what to do? Yes, you are right. You have to solve it by substitution method. If you want to eliminate A, you have to make the coefficients of A equal. So how can we make coefficients of A equal? Here it is 4. If we multiply this by 2, we will get 4. Okay, then here 9 is there. Here 3 is there. If you want to eliminate B, then you multiply this by 3. Then these both will be equal and you will get B eliminated. Okay, now it is up to you whether you want to eliminate A or B. It depends on you. So let us eliminate A. I will multiply all the terms by 2. Then A coefficients will be same. These two will be equal terms. Then we can subtract them. Okay. So let us multiply first equation. Multiply equation 1 by 2. So 2 into 2a plus 3b equal to 2. First equation I am multiplying by 2. So I am getting 2 2s are 4a plus 2 3s are 6b is equals to 2 2s are 4. And here we observe that this is 4a, this is 4a. So if we subtract, we can get a eliminated. So let us subtract this from this. 4a minus 9b equal to minus 1. Subtract. When you subtract, sign will change. Second equation sign will change. Here no sign means we have to consider as plus. So it will become minus. And this minus sign will get cancelled. It will become plus. This minus also will become plus. Okay. So 4a minus 4a will give you 0. And 9 plus 6 will give you 15b. Is equals to 5. So B will be equals to 5 upon 15. 5 ones are 5 threes are. So B will give you 1 by 3. But what is the value of B by substitution? 1 by root y. 1 by root y is equals to 1 by 3. B value I am writing here. So root y is 3. So what do you think? Whose square root is 3? 9. Very good. So y value will be 9. Okay. Y value will be 9 because square root of 9 is 3. Right. Now what to do? This b value you substitute in any one of the equation. So by first equation, 2a plus 3b equals to 2. What to do? 2, what is a? A is, what is a? A's value not given. We have to write a itself. Then 3 into b is 1 by 3 is equals to 2. Now 3 will get cancelled. We get 2a equals to 2a. Here nothing is there means, see, plus 1 here. 2a plus 1 equal to 2. 2a equal to 2 minus 1. Bring this 1 here. So 2a equals to 1. I am solving all the steps for your better understanding. Okay. So a will be equals to 1 upon 2. But what is the value of a from substitution? 1 by root x. So a I am writing as 1 by root x equals to 1 by 2. Okay, so root x will be equals to 2. Then x is equals to how much? Whose square root is 2? 4. So 4. X value is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. That's why x value is 4. So what is the solution? Xy, x is 4, y is 9. In this way you have to solve this problem. It is so easy. Let us solve the next question. In this, here constant term is multiplied by this xy. So how we have done first problem, like that we have to do. Okay, first problem of this video. What will you do? You divide all the terms by xy. Divide all the terms by xy. So let us begin. 6x. Here write down. Divide all the terms by xy. So 6x upon xy plus 3y upon xy equals to 6xy. 2x upon xy plus 4y upon xy equals to 5xy. Okay, now we can see that here we can cancel xx and here yy, and here also divide by xy. All the terms you have to divide by xy. Okay, xy cancel. Here yy cancel. Here xx cancel. So we got here 6 upon y plus 3 upon x is equals to 6. And here 2 upon y plus 4 upon x equal to 5. Now what to do? What we have done in previous problem. 6 upon y we have written 6 into 1 by y plus 3 into 1 by x equal to 6. Okay. We can write in this way because 6 ones are 6 and we get again 6 by y. So 2 into 1 by y plus 4 into 1 by x equal to 5. Right? Now substitution. What substitution you will do? Huh? Yes, 1 by y and 1 by x. Same na in both the equations. So 1 by x you substitute as a, 1 by y you substitute as b. You can take your own alphabets for substitution. It is not necessary that you should take a and b. Now substitute the values. Follow this substitution. 6 into a. 6 into a means 6a plus 3. 6 into, sorry, 1 by y value I have taken b. So 6 into b. By mistake I have written the a. So now 3 into 1 by x means 3. 1 by x value I have taken as a equal to 6. Okay, 6b plus 3a equal to 6. Now 2b plus 4a equal to 5. Now follow elimination method. How to follow elimination method? Here it is 6b, here it is 2b. How to make these terms equal, coefficients equal? 2 3s are 6, right? So if we multiply this all by 3, we will get here 6. So let us multiply this. Multiply by 3. So 3 into 2b plus 4a equals to 5. So we get here 3 2s are 6b plus 3 4s are 12a equals to 3 5s are 15. Right? Give this equation number 3. This you can give as equation number 1. And this you can give as equation number 2. Okay, so that you can remember which equation we are using. Now divide first by third. Divide no. What to do? We have to subtract. Sorry, subtract. By mistake I have written divide. Subtract. So 6b plus 3a equal to 6. 6b plus 12a equals to 15. Right? Here subtraction, then sign changing. For subtraction, we have to change the sign. Remember, when you subtract, you should change the sign of the second polynomial. And if you don't know elimination method, go through my video. I have made one separate video for elimination method for your better understanding. You can learn from that video how to solve the linear equations by elimination method. Then you will better understand. 6 minus 6, 0. And here minus 12 and this minus 9. A equal to minus 9. 15 minus 6, 9. Now A equals to minus 9 upon minus 9 will give you 1. So A's value is 1. Okay, A is equals to 1. But what substitution we have done for A? 1 by x. So 1 by x equals to 1. So again x equals to 1. 1 by x is 1. 1 by 1 means 1. So x value is 1. Okay. Now what to do here? This A value you substitute in any one of the equation. So by first 6b plus 3a equals to 6. 6b plus 3 into a. A is 1 equals to 6. So 6b is equals to 6. 3 ones are 3 and that minus 3. Bring this 3. 3 ones are 3 and bring this 3 here. 6b is equals to 3. B is equals to 3 by 6. 1 by 2. B is 1 by 2. But what is B? B is 1 by y from this substitution. So 1 by y is equals to 1 by 2. So y equals to 2. So what are the points? X and y. X is 1 and y is 2. Like this we have to solve such type of problems. Now this next problem, it looks little bit complicated, but in this we have to perform elimination method 2 times. So how to perform elimination method in this? How to do substitution? We observe that it is 5 by x plus y, here also 15 by x plus y. So substitute what? 1 by x plus y as A and 1 by x minus y as B. Because in earlier problem I have explained you ki 5 upon x plus y we can write as 5 into 1 upon x plus y. So 5 into 1 upon x plus y we have taken A, and here similarly 2 into 1 upon x minus y we have taken as B. So in every problem I don't need, it is necessary to tell you. You might have understood ki 5 upon anything means 5 into 1 by x or 5 into 1 by y, we can write it in that way. But here instead of x and y, x plus y is there. So we can write it as 5 into 1 upon x plus y. So 1 upon x plus y here and 1 upon x plus y is here also. So 1 upon x plus y we are taking as A and 1 upon x minus y we are taking as B. Now let us do the substitution. 5a minus 2b is equals to minus 1. And second one, 15a plus 7b is equals to 10. Now tell me, who can tell how to solve this problem? How to eliminate the variables? Here it is 15a and it is 5a. So I can 5 3s are 15, right? So I can multiply this all terms by 3. So multiply by 3. First this one. So let us multiply. 5a minus 2b equals to minus 1. 3 5s are 15a minus 3 2s are 6b is equals to 3 1s are 3. Okay, let us mark it as first equation. Then this is second. Okay, subtract second from first. Okay, so 15a minus 6b equals to minus 3. Now they subtract this one. 15 A minus, no, it is 15A plus 7B. Plus 7B equals to 10. Okay, now subtract means you have to change the sign, right? Don't forget subtraction. Whenever you perform subtraction, sign of second equation will change. All sign of second equation, all terms will change. And this will become 0. And minus 6 minus 7. Minus 13b is equals to minus 13. So we get here b is equals to minus 13 upon minus 13. So b is equals to 1. But what is the value of b from this substitution? 1 by x minus y. So b you write as 1 by x minus y is equals to 1. So this x minus y is in division. It will become multiplication here. So 1 is equals to 1 into x minus y. Okay, this x minus y will go here. It will become multiplication. So then 1 into anything will give you same. So x minus y 1 is a x minus y is equals to what is this? 1. We can write, exchange the LHS and RHS. No problem in that. Okay. X minus y 1 is a x minus y. And then here 1 is there. So we have written. Okay. So here this is the third equation. Now this value of b you substitute in any one of the equation. Shall we substitute in this? So 15a plus 7 into b. B is 1 equals to 10. So 15a, 7 ones are 7 and bring that 7 to that side. So 10 minus 7. So 15a is equals to 10 minus 7, 3. A is equals to 3 upon 15. Here into na. So it will become division. 3 ones are 3 fives are. So a is equals to 1 by 5. Now from substitution, what is the value of a? 1 upon x plus y. So put here 1 upon x plus y equals to 1 by 5. Right, all of you? Understanding? Then cross multiply. Whenever there is equal to in the middle and both the side fractions are there, you have to cross multiply. 1 5 is a 5 equals to x plus y 1 is a x plus y. You can interchange the LHS and RHS. So we got this fourth equation. Again solve them by elimination method. See, we got two linear equations again. So solve them by elimination method to get x and y. Okay, from third and fourth, what? X minus y equals to 1. X plus y equals to 5. Solve. Y minus y, cancel. Here no need to multiply any number because already it is minus y and plus y, opposite. So you will get 0 here. X plus x will give you 2x. Remember, here nothing is there means coefficient is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2x is equals to 6. X is equals to 6 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2 threes are. X is 3. Now put this x value in any one of the equation out of these two. So x plus y equals to 5. It gives you 3 plus 5 equals to 3 plus y equals to 5, and then y equals to 5. This 3 will go here, minus 3 means 2. So what is the solution? X is 3, y is 2. Okay, in this way we have to solve such type of equations which are non-linear, and we have to convert them into linear by substituting some other variable a or b or mn you can take. Then we have to solve them and we have to get the value of the variable, which new variable which we have got, and then again resubstitute the value in the form of xy and get the value of x and y. Whoever will not understand elimination method, they please go through my video which is made on elimination method specially and learn. I have given some practice problems also in that. Now let us see this eighth question. It is similar to the previous problem, but here numbers are also there and here it is in fractions. So I will tell you how to solve this and then you go through it and do the substitution and solve by yourself. Half problem I am solving here, remaining I am giving to you to solve it again. So 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 fours are. I have cancelled this second equation like this. Now substitution. What will be the substitution? 1 upon 3x plus y is equals to a and 1 upon 3x minus y equals to b. Okay, put in these equations. This is first equation, suppose this is second equation. So by first what we got? A plus b equals to 3 by 4. And by second what we got? Second equation, 1 by this I have cancelled because they are factors of 8. So we can cancel. 2 is the factor of 8. So I can cancel them out to simplify the equation. So 1 by 3x plus y will give you a minus b is equals to minus 1 by 4. Now here fraction is there, na? Division. Divided by 4. So bring this 4 and make it multiplied. Okay. Here. So 4 into a plus b is equals to 3. And here also 4 into a minus b is equals to minus 1. Okay. Now 4a plus 4b equals to 3 and it is 4a minus 4b equals to minus 1. Now what to do? Give this equation number 3 and this give equation number 4. Already I don't solve the problem and explain. Here in front of you, so I will solve because you will understand better ki how I am solving and which steps I am following. Okay, that's why I am solving in front of you. Now here already we see it is 4b and it is minus 4b. How easy to use elimination method here. Very simple. No need to multiply by any number here. So we got here 4b minus 4b cancel. 4 plus 4 will give you. Here you have to do addition because already signs are different. And when to add? When their signs are already different, we no need to subtract. We do subtraction so that we should get opposite signs. But here already sign are different. Suppose same sign is there, then we have to do subtraction so that we can change the sign. But here already different sign is there. So 4b minus 4b already it will give you 0. 4a plus 4a is 8a. And here 3 minus 1 will give you 2. So a is equals to 2 by 8. Okay. 8a is equals to 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. A value is 1 by 4. Right. A value is 1 by 4. Now what is the value of a by substitution? See, a is 1 upon 3x plus y equals to here 1 by 4. Here I have substituted a value. A value is 1 upon 3x plus y and this 1 by 4. So by this we can observe that 3x plus y equals to 4. Here 1 1. So 3x plus y equals to 4 because equal fractions. They are equal fraction. Numerators are same. So denominators will also be same. Okay, this is suppose fifth equation. Now put this a value in any one of the equation. Let us substitute in this 4. A is 1 by 4 minus 4b equals to minus 1. 4 4 cancel. And here will be 1 minus 4b equals to minus 1. Okay, then minus 4b is equals to minus 1 and this 1 will go here. It will again become minus 1 because here no sign means plus. And here minus 4b. Don't forget to write minus sign when you write here because this is minus 4b equals to minus 1 and this will go here, it will become minus 1. So minus 4b equals to minus 2, and here b equals to minus 2 upon minus 4. Here into no. So into will become divide. Okay. So b is equals to minus minus cancel, 2 ones are 2, 2s are 1 by 2. But what is the value of b by substitution? 1 upon 3x minus y. b is 1 upon 3x minus y equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Then you can see here equal fractions. So numerators are equal. So denominator also you equate. 3x minus 4, 3x minus y equals to 2. 3x minus y equals to 2. This is sixth equation. Now fifth equation and sixth equation you solve again by elimination method. Second time again you have to use elimination method. Okay. One more time you use elimination method. Now it is very simple. I hope you can do it. Okay, definitely you can do it. Use elimination method and find xy value and let me know. These are the practice problems from exercise 4.3. First, sixth and seventh problem I have not solved because they are similar to this, only numbers are changed. So you solve it and practice this method. If any doubt, please comment me in the comment section. And if you want any problem to be solved by me, please send me the pic in WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given in the description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.